It's a cat screaming out there. You know? Are they abusing cats now? Just like every time I vent to myself, they start like beating up dogs, or I start hearing like children crying, or just now they're like beating up a cat, you know, teasing me like cry baby. It's another tactic, like a message, you know, like quiet, shut up, you know. Fucking terrorists. That's all they are. They're just terrorists. Where fascism day begins, where gang stalking, chaos induced terrorism begins. Not America. This is not America. This is freaking fascist chaos terrorists. That's what they are. Keep disturbing with my peace, you know. Every time I have peace or working out, doing good, they come in and break up the algorithm. They don't want me to do better. They're fucking terrorists. Excuse my language, Heavenly Father, I love you. He knows my heart. Love and life from heaven. I wouldn't treat anyone like this, though. You know that. God knows that. I care about people. But people with a supremacist chaos kind of energy, you know, using black magic, psychics playing God with my life. You know, there's only one place they're going. It's Satan's army. She said that back in 2018. The universe will come in on my behalf. And she's watching. I'm not talking about the ones playing a universe here. I've seen the real deal. These posers that's trying to infiltrate and confuse me. I don't trust them. I don't trust them one bit. I trust the divine, the heavenly angels that I've seen. These energies down here is the same energy that scratched me at Hafade Motel when I was being attacked. And spirit, I got that in recording. That was pure evil. And then when I saw that pink light, that heavenly light, it just, all that darkness went away. That's the divine. The energies over here are just evil, just discouraging, kicking you around, bullying, just demonic chaos. And I condemn them. I crawl down the road for their lives, and then they try to turn around and try and kill me. And they manipulate my they're trying to hijack my life, you know, take over my life. I condemn them. I'm not playing their games. Here comes is that the trash truck? Oh yeah. That's a repetitive thing too that they do. Let's see. Oh no. Oh, that's a bus, sorry. I was just expecting trash truck, because that's a repetitive thing that they've been doing. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, yep. What else was it? Yeah, so I crawl on the road for the lights, they turn around, try and kill me, then they try to hijack my life. You know, I gotta redo my DNA test. Angels told me David's my father. That's why the Social Security, the lady's like, do you want to take this out? Like, she gave me, it was like something like I'm picking up, like, it was a hint like, Mac, you gotta double check this. This is your father. When I went to the Social Security Administration, you know, because David Burgess was it in the record, you know. So I'm like, wait a minute. And when Pepper told me, when Pepper gave me that DNA test, and Divine said there was two tests, you know, it could have been messed with, you know. That's why I want to redo the redo the DNA test. So Pepper was like so. He was so. How do you? What's the right word for that? He was so. What's the right word? He was just so particular about the vials. You know, like, oh, put the sticker there on the vial. Okay, it's sealed right now. Initial it. You know, like. You know, I was just like wondering why you have to be so technical. There you go, technical. He was being so technical about it. I'm like, what the heck? This is just a DNA test. It's not like we're going. It's not like you know. This is uh, what's the right word for that again? This is just DNA testing, you know. For it's not like you know. I'm just getting distracted. Sorry. There's people walking around. Staying distracted. Minding my own business, but they're trying to instigate, like trying to mind my business. You know, it's like it's so stupid. Like playing a game. It's like keeping me hostage. You know, keep telling me I'm not playing a game. It's like a slave thing. You know, like so stupid, and I condemn it. Yeah, when I go to work, you know, they're like, I'm not playing the games, and then they still keep on trying to play games. It's like, you know, I just need to leave this island. That's it.